Master the basics, unlocking the foundation of English language learning. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a vital concept in language learning: master the basics. This phrase is more than just a saying. It's a fundamental approach to learning English effectively. So, let's dive in and uncover what it truly means to master the basics of the English language. The phrase, master the basics, is a call to focus on the foundational elements of the English language. But what does it really mean? To master something means to become very skilled at it, and basics refers to the fundamental aspects or principles of a subject. So, when we say, master the basics, we're talking about gaining a strong, proficient grasp of the essential elements of English. You might wonder, why is there so much emphasis on the basics? The reason is simple. Without a solid foundation, advanced skills cannot be built effectively. Think of it like constructing a building. The stronger the foundation, the taller and more stable the building can be. In English learning, this foundation includes grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and sentence structure. A strong grasp of these basics paves the way for advanced skills like fluent conversation, effective writing, and comprehensive reading. So, what are these basics we keep talking about? Let's break them down. 1. Grammar. Understanding the rules that govern the structure of sentences. 2. Vocabulary. Building a broad base of words for effective communication. 3. Pronunciation. Learning how to correctly articulate words. 4. Sentence structure. Knowing how to form coherent and logical sentences. By focusing on these areas, learners can develop a robust foundation in English. Mastering the basics might sound daunting, but it's quite achievable with the right approach. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to mastering any skill. 2. Use practical resources. Engage with resources that offer practical, real-world usage of English. 3. Learn actively. Instead of just reading or listening, actively use the language through writing and speaking. 4. Seek feedback. Regular feedback from teachers or native speakers can significantly improve your skills. Remember, mastering the basics is a journey, not a race. In conclusion, mastering the basics of English is a crucial step in becoming proficient in the language. It's about building a strong foundation upon which all other language skills can be developed. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of this concept and provides you with practical strategies to achieve it. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll see remarkable improvements in your English language journey. Happy learning!